I'm Andres Ortiz, an immigration attorney here with the Schaus Law Group. And a lot of people ask me, if I'm detained by immigration, do I have the right to a bond? And the answer is sometimes. And whether you qualify for bond depends on a couple things. First, a person who is arriving at a port of entry and is apprehended by immigration and is placed into removal proceedings before an immigration judge is ineligible to receive a bond. Additionally, a person who has certain criminal convictions, if they're transferred directly from state court custody to immigration custody, may be ineligible for a bond. And third, if the person doesn't fall into either one of the first two categories, they may be eligible for a discretionary bond before the immigration judge. The immigration judge considers two factors. The first is whether a person is a danger to the community. And the judge will look at the person's past criminal history, whether they've had any other issues, run-ins with the law. And then second, they'll look at whether the person is a flight risk. And in that situation, the judge will look at the person's ties to the U.S., whether or not it's possible that the person can receive immigration relief before the judge, and also whether the person has a history of appearing before any kind of other tribunal. However, in the Ninth Circuit, there is an exception for people who have been detained for more than 6 months. In that situation, regardless of whether the person has a disqualifying conviction, such as an aggravated felony, is an arriving alien, or was just denied on discretion, that person is eligible for a new bond hearing where this time it's the government's burden to prove that the person is both a danger to society and a flight risk. If the government fails to prove both of those elements, then the person will be let out on a bond. So if you or a loved one has been detained by immigration and would like to know if you're eligible to post a bond to get out of immigration custody, it's very important that you consult with an experienced immigration attorney. So call us at the Schaus Law Group, and we'll do everything that we can to get your loved ones out of immigration custody.